Hi guys, it is September 28th, 2020, and if you are at home, we are going to get started on informative essays. So we are done with the workshop. Now we are going to answer a writing prompt and put that into an essay form. So today is going to be a little longer. I just want to warn you, it's going to be a little longer than it typically takes for you to do an assignment because I have a lot of questions that I want to ask before you start your essay. So your objective for today is I can evaluate the thesis statement, ideas and details, and conclusions in an informative essay. So we're going to start off with this pear deck, and I'm going to have a series of questions that I want to ask you. And what you're going to do is just type in your answer. You'll see the little pear here, and some are multiple choice. Some will have you highlight. Some will have you actually put in an answer. So be prepared for that. It's just to see what you know and if you can find it in a mentor text. So I'm going to skip some of these slides here because there's answers on them and I don't want you to see. So the first thing here I want you to look at is if you have your real book at home, page 224 and 225, this is what we're going to be writing about. Okay, it asks you the question to identify two people in this workshop who reacted strongly to President Lincoln's assassination. Write an essay describing their reactions. So we have to break apart what the question is asking first off, and then find the details to back that up. So really all it's telling us to do is to pick two people from any of the readings in the workshop who reacted strongly to his assassination. So start thinking about that as we get into the actual essay. Also on that page here, we call this a mentor text, and we call it a mentor text because it gives us advice. It teaches us how to write in a certain way. So I've explained that here. Take a second just to read through this essay. How many paragraphs are there? What's in the paragraphs? We want you to use this as, again, an example. Okay, I want you to be able to write this way. In the end, you are going to have 4 paragraphs, and you're going to write this way. Okay, let me skip through some of this so you don't see the answers here. It will take you through a series of questions. There's some things that I'm asking you to highlight. So highlight the central idea of each paragraph. Here you'll use that marker to actually highlight some things. And then the next question asks you to answer the question. The arrow points to what is being asked. So make sure that you answer by typing it into that pear deck. And that's how you'll be scored and what you're looking for. So just be sure to follow directions on each individual slide. So it will take you a minute because there are several different parts to each question and each paragraph of the mentor text. So just take your time and answer the best that you can. And then finally, as always, okay, I want you to get on your software. We're getting kind of lazy with that. You were supposed to finish between 4 and 8 segments by the end of the quarter, and some of you have barely finished 2. So we need to make sure that when we're at home, we are doing our software. So set that timer, get on the software and practice your spelling, vocab, reading fluency, and there's even parts on there to make your writing better as well. So it is good practice. And don't forget to read. This is the last week for the reading challenge. So make sure that you're reading and entering your 20 minutes in the pages that you've read. And then that's it for the day, okay? Is there any questions you still have? I want you to type it into that pear deck, and then you are done for the day. Have a wonderful Monday, guys.